Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zainab Aswan. You can call me Zay. I'm from accounting class 23F. Here I will invite you all to discuss about the impact of social media on interpersonal relationships. In today's digital age, social media has become an indispensable part of our lives. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter have revolutionized the way we communicate, connect with others, and consume information. However, amidst its remarkable benefits, social media also holds the potential for negative impact on our interpersonal relationships. In this presentation, we will delve deeper into the effect of social media, both positive and negative, on the connections between individuals.
Our journey together will encompass how social media facilitates staying connected with loved ones, especially those residing far away, how social media expands our social circles and opens doors to new connections, how social media serves as a platform for sharing ideas, perspectives, and experience with a broader audience, how social media keeps us informed about current events and global issues. On the other hand, we will also address how social media can trigger feelings of social comparison and envy, how social media can lead to addiction and excessive time consumption, how social media can become a breeding ground for cyberbullying and harassment, how social media can be a vehicle for spreading misinformation and fake news.
The objectives of this presentation are to raise awareness about the impact of social media on our interpersonal relationships. 2 is provide tips and strategies for using social media responsibly and mindfully. 3 is foster the development of healthy and positive interpersonal relationships in this digital era. And let us begin our journey to comprehend the impact of social media on interpersonal relationships. First, we will discuss the positive impact of social media on interpersonal relationships. Below are some examples of the positive impact of social media on interpersonal relationships.
The first is staying connected. Social media has become a lifeline for maintaining relationships with loved ones who reside far away. It allows us to stay connected through instant messaging, video calls, and sharing of experience, fostering a sense of closeness and shared moments despite the physical distance. 2 is expanding social circles. Social media has opened doors to a vast network of individuals who share our passion, interests, and experience. It allows us to connect with people from diverse backgrounds and perspectives, enriching our lives with new connections and broadening our horizons. 3 is sharing ideas and perspective. Social media has empowered individuals to share their voice and perspective with a global audience. It has become a platform for self-expressions where we can engage in meaningful discussions, contribute to online communities, and connect with like-minded individuals. 4. Staying informed and engaged. Social media has transformed into a powerful source of information, keeping us updated on current events, news, and global development. It allows us to follow trusted sources, engage in discussions, and raise awareness about critical issues that shape our world.
Of course, there are many other positive impacts, but of course, social media not only has a positive impact, it also has a negative impact. We will discuss some of the negative impact of social media on interpersonal relationships. Some of them are:
the first is social comparison and envy. Social media can create a distorted perception of reality, leading to social comparison and envy. As we scroll through carefully curated profiles showcasing seemingly perfect lives, we may develop feelings of inadequacy and dissatisfaction with of our life. This can negatively impact self-esteem and mental well-being. 2. Misinformation and fake news. The ease and speed of sharing information on social media can also facilitate the spread of misinformation and fake news. Unverified claims, misleading content, and fabricated stories can quickly gain traction. leading to confusion, distrust, and even harmful consequences. It's crucial to be a critical consumer of information on social media, verifying source and cross-checking facts. 3 is cyberbullying and harassment. The anonymity and reach of social media can unfortunately provide a platform for cyberbullying and harassment. Individuals may use social media to engage in hurtful behavior, spreading rumors, sending malicious messages, or posting embarrassing content, causing emotional distress and psychological harm to the target. 4. Addiction and time consumption. Social media addictive nature can be detrimental to our well-being. The constant stream of notification, the temptation to check updates, and the fear of missing out can lead to excessive time spent on social media, taking away valuable time from real-world interactions, responsibilities, and personal growth.
And of course, there are still many negative impacts from social media. Then here, I will provide several strategies to prevent this negative impact from occurring. First is set limits. Setting limits for social media usage is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance. Determine how much time you want to spend on this platform and stick to it. Utilize apps or browser extensions to track and manage your time effectively, ensuring that social media doesn't consume your day. 2. Prioritize real-world connections. Social media should not replace real-world interaction. Prioritize face-to-face conversation, spend quality time with loved ones, and engage in activities that foster genuine connections. Social media can be a tool to enhance these connections, but it should not substitute for the irreplaceable value of in-person interactions. 3. Then take breaks and disconnect. Taking breaks from social media is essential for maintaining mental well-being. Schedule regular breaks to disconnect from the constant streams of information and interactions. Engage in activities that bring you joy, spend time in nature, and reconnect with yourself and the world around you. As we conclude our exploration of the impact of social media on interpersonal relationships, I hope you have gained a deeper understanding of the complex and multi-phase nature of this issue. Social media has undoubtedly revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and share information. It has opened up new avenues for connection, self-expression, and global engagement. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential negative impact of social media on our interpersonal relationships and mental well-being. Remember, social media is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. The choice is ours. Let's use social media to connect, share, and inspire, not to compare, envy, or harm. Let's use social media to make the world a better place, one positive interaction at a time. Thank you for your attention and participation in this presentation. I hope it has provided you with valuable insight into the impact of social media on our lives. Before we close, I'd like to leave you with a final thought. In a world increasingly connected through digital platforms, let's strive to cultivate genuine connections, foster empathy, and promote responsible social media usage for a more positive and enriching online experience. Thank you once again. Goodbye.